I'm Liz Hector, the director of PMI Netherlands Academic Outreach and Education Foundation. Let's hear more from Cathelijn.
I was seeing that the project management group is really professionalizing at the moment. So I was thinking, okay, I can do something with this. And since there are a lot of changes in the world which have a big effect on project-based organizations, but also on clients, because the project managers will do a project for the client, I thought maybe I can look at these tensions that exist between the project-based organization and the client in a project. How do they cope with this? And a really nice research topic is professional role identity. So I tried to make a connection between the professionalization of project management and from the professional role identity point of view, and the tensions project managers experience, and well, how we can explain through the professional role identity of project managers, how we can explain how they see these tensions and how they cope with them. And this was a really interesting thing to do. But that's, of course, an interesting question. My main takeaway for project management is that we see in my research is that project managers seem to sometimes equate the project interest with the interest of the client. And this doesn't necessarily have to be a problem, but it can be a problem for project-based organizations, because think about it, if we look at projects, a project is something on its own, and there is the client, and you have the project-based organization, and you have the project manager. So what is interesting is that we saw that project managers seem to equate these interests, but we have to look at the project more as something that it's on its own. And from that point, we can look at, okay, what are the interests of the client and what are the important interests of the project-based organization. I think the future looks bright, that's for sure. I did a really nice course through PMI as a Zoekies winner, so that's really nice, and I'm seeing that's very helpful. But where do I see myself? Well, I'm working at Royal Haskoning DHV right now. I see a lot of opportunities over there, so I hope to work there for quite some time. And I want to someday somewhere be a leader. So yesterday, of course, it was National or International Women's Day. I hope that I can inspire women, but also other people, not only women, to be the change. And I think project management is a way of being the change, and be the change for clients, but also be the change for the world. I hope to do a PhD someday as well. So I think the Zoekies process was really nice. We got the opportunity to present our presentation to the business world. We had the opportunity on the 18th of March to present our research again to the business world, but also to more academic people. That's also really nice about this Zoekies winning research award, that you can combine what we need in business with research. And that's, of course, why you're doing research, because you want to professionalize in the end, or you want to make some processes better to become a more or a better profession. And what I really like about the Zoekies process, and they really, or you really try to connect the young professionals with the older generation. We got the opportunity to do a certified associate in project management course, so that's really nice. I have to do the exam, but I hope, well, I'm gonna manage it. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got to do this. Yeah, it's a really nice process.
Thank you for becoming a Zoekie. Congratulations on being a winner, and best of success in everything you do in the future.
Thanks, and thank you for all the help.